So this was small thing the way they tie and lap. You understand? It's like that mama spices. This one we have our guys. Soon I'll be selling this one. This is soya pepper. I love putting in my when I'm roasted. This is soya pepper. We just mix it together. Everything mixable. Soya pepper. Okay. Our soya pepper. We have our dry pepper. Okay. We have our dry pepper. So this is seasoning time, dry pepper, so that the fish go really get pepper. So we go they press some inside now. Press, mash them, so that before it go, everything go nyama inside. Before it want dissolve, everything won't dissolve. Everything go there inside. Go the nyama and feed them inside. Yes, so mama, you take care, because na tilapia or tila. Tila. Tila baby. Guys, then we keep it. It go pass more than 1 hour. This is our dinner in the evening, so we are now almost how many o'clock? So we'll be keeping our dinner. Everything will marinate, join together, mix together, put everything mixable. Yes, so that when they eat better fish, they say no, all the loopholes, press them inside, press everything inside. You see them. See everything inside, anything. It tastes well. Feel man well. Everything they did. Everything. So that when it marinate, then we go. Yes, so we'll be covering it. Then we'll pass to another thing. We'll be doing it, we'll be eating it with roasted plantain, unripe, half ripe plantain. Let me wash my hands. I wash my hand with washy. I wash my hand then. I take the film it well. You film it. Cover them for some 1 hour or 2. This is dinner. We don't roast for time for dinner. As we roast it when it's hot. We just chop and where they hot. Cannot roast it now and leave it cold. So thank you for watching. Our tilapia is ready. Printer. Cold don't come. Just I don't wear pullover. So guys, we will keep on for now. I just think so much of fish this weekend.